Vanakkam. Welcome you all to my Desk Glow Up series episode 1. First, let's make a flower vase. Hope you guys like the video. Do subscribe for more.